welcome to my channel. In today's video we will focus on this. So now we are going to install the grill on the car, and to install this grill I'm afraid to say you have to remove the whole bumper. There's no way you can get in here, even if it's loose like this, and get the old one off. So all this have to come off again. So let's take it all off and install the grill. This is pretty exciting for me as well. This is the first time I see one in real life. So this grill is for the W166 or GLE. Here we have the little AMG emblem. Very well packed, I have to say. And as you can see here, it's also prepared if you have the 360 view cameras. And if you don't have them, you just leave it like that. And first I would like to install these because I think it's much easier to do that before the grill is in place. So this one goes in just like that. And then you can see you have this one goes in that one. And remember, these are plastic, so this is no fun. And then you turn it in place, like that. So I now have removed all the screws underneath, and also here we have one here is removed. Now you actually just pry this out like this. I just have to say, whoever invented this kind of locking mechanism is way off. This is the worst thing. To get this out without breaking this little tab, it's almost impossible, or hurting the paint job. This is just ridiculous. So have that in mind, that this is really hard to take out in one piece. So what we first have to do now is of course to remove these plastic rivets, 4 of them on top. clips of course can sit very hard. That's the point. And with this one still here, it's a little bit tricky, but I think we will make it. There we go. So now all the clips are loosened. And it's stuck in there. There we go. Hope for the best. So in this car I have the aftermarket AMG bumper, and as you can see here there are even not holes in the grille for the clips to go in, so actually I have to modify this grille. As you can see, the hole is there and the tab is here. Same here, tab is here and the hole is there, so I actually have to modify this and do some new holes for the tabs to make it fit this aftermarket bumper. So here I marked up where to do the holes for the tabs. Just to point out that I think this is only needed for the aftermarket bumper, or if it's the AMG bumper. So let's get to it. So, let's do this. I'll use a Dremel. And so the holes are done. So let's see how this fits on the bumper. And I actually have to remove this whole thing as well. That's not something that fits on the aftermarket bumper. There we go. That one also removed. And now I just actually force it in place till I hear that clicking sound. There we go. So this part is slightly different in the angle, so this will take some force. But other than that, I think it worked really well now. So finally done, so now we just have to put it back on the car. We'll start with the cable connectors, of course. There we go. And the first thing I do now is just to hang it in place and put these rivets in, and then I adjust. So there we are.
And that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you get notifications when new videos come up. And don't miss out the new Instagram account. Follow us there as well to get the latest and greatest. And until next time, see you.